if you're getting tired from Twitter or X and you want to move to Bluesky, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go back to your screen and go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead, right, and type Bluesky. Okay, and you're gonna download the app, and by downloading the app, you're gonna basically get to know more about it, right? And just go to open up your Bluesky and sign up with a new account. If you don't know how, go ahead and click the three bars right here. I'm gonna show you a demonstration on how to sign up. I'm gonna click right here. I'm gonna click click the add account. You're gonna see window just like this. Go ahead and create your new account. Add your email, password, and then your birth date, and select the type of content that you want to see on your feed. And then basically you're gonna be able to have access to your new account. Simple as that. You can basically share your account, basically your new account, with the followers on X, right? Post your new link, or like, this is my new social media account, or I already moved from X to basically Bluesky, go join in by this link, right? Or find me there, and then pin the announcement for visibility on X, of course. If you don't know how, just go ahead and click the three bars, click your avatar icon at the top left, click your profile, and then basically what you're gonna do, click the three dots next to your post, and then just go ahead and click pin to profile, and you're gonna pin your post to your profile. And find and follow your Twitter or X connections, right? Just go ahead to your following, right? And make sure that they have an account on Bluesky. If they don't, you gotta invite them to Bluesky. You gotta tell them that you need to open up a new account so I can follow you, right? And you can just go ahead to search from here and then search for their username, right? And basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.